Entry Price TV. Subscribe now.
Need to mix in? The 2018 Volkswagen Passat is the vehicle for you. The 2018 Volkswagen Passat styling will insult few, excite less. It's a strong 5 out of 10, a superbly normal car with not a solitary line strange but rather no significant signals inside or out. Indeed, even the current year's new Passat GT won't raise your heart rate. The Passat takes after a regular 3-box shape and its outside is spruced up with insights of chrome on higher spec models. Combination wheels are standard at each level, yet even their outlines are barely inspiring. The GT channels the organization's Golf GTI with passed out outside trim and a thin red line united into its grille. However, even its 19-inch compound wheels won't gather in excess of a short second look. The Passat is an introvert, though one without a solitary hair strain. It's much a similar story inside with clean lines and a high level of youthfulness, yet little feeling. Sound and atmosphere controls are assembled independently on the symmetrical dashboard, which makes them sufficiently simple to situate at a snappy look. The fabric trim standard on the Passat S has a decent, thickly woven look and a leather red fitted to everything except the cell, which has genuine cowhide shrouds, resembles the genuine article. The 2018 Volkswagen Passat offers aggressive efficiency, as long as you stay with the Turbo 4 motor. The 2018 Volkswagen Passat vehicle is thrifty when controlled fueled by the standard Turbo 4 motor. We can't say the same in regards to the Discretionary V6, be that as it may. Our 7 out of 10 score here is ascertained from the base motor, which is appraised at 25 miles per gallon city, 36 throughway, 29 joint. That motor comes standard on the Passat S, SE, cell, and are line trim levels and is intended to keep running on general unleaded. Discretionary on the cell and included with the Passat GT is a 3.6-liter V6 that swallows at a rate of 19/28 seconds of a mile per gallon, VW says. The Discretionary V6 keeps running on customary fuel, however VW says that proprietors will accomplish better execution when they utilize premium unleaded.